I am currently on the Enchanted Princess for a 7-day New England cruise out of New York. I'm staying in a balcony cabin. Let's go check it out. Straight from coming into the room from the door, to the left is the closet. The one thing about Princess Cruises, they always have these big closets so that I am sailing by myself, but if you have multiple people in your room, you have enough space to be able to put your luggage and to also put your clothes on these hangers, and they can always provide more hangers for you. Above the closet is the life jacket, an ample amount of space to have up on top as well. Then there is more storage that they have here for you. In this particular closet here, you will see the safe. Use as you desire. Coming from in here, now we go into the bathroom. Bathroom is a great size for me. Again, I am a solo cruiser. They always have these Lotus Spa products. It's ample amount of shelving space that they have here. Ample amount of space on the sink. Here you will find your towels, your hand towels. And this is the bathroom. Doesn't have a door, but it has a shower curtain and is an ample size shower. What do you think, guys? I think it is an ample size shower. Very spacious. Now, leaving out of the bathroom, we will have a full-size mirror right here. Then going into now the bedroom area. Here, I have a queen-size bed. Princess has some of the best bedding in the cruise industry. We have 2 lamps next to the bed. Here we have a desk with another mirror. And more shelving on the side of this desk. And in here you will find the mini fridge. You know, so a lot of places will not have standalone fridges. They'll always have it as a part of the furniture. Now with this next desk, we say that we'll have more storage. A nice little desk for you to do anything that you want. There is now the outlets on the desk. Not a lot of outlets that they're providing for you. So make sure that you have some plugs and additional plugs for you to use when you are on these cruise ships. This is the full view of the room. I think this will be pretty awesome for me for 1 week's worth of cruising. Now it is a balcony cabin, so let me go outside and let you see how the balcony is. So I'll step back a little bit just so that you can see the size of the doors going onto the balcony. So let's go take a look at this balcony now. There is a step up, so if you're in this balcony, be careful. You don't walk out, you have to step up onto the balcony. There's the balcony. I think this balcony has ample amount of space. It has 2 chairs. It has a little bit of a table. I think it's a nice sized balcony. I'm not sure if it's the biggest I've ever had. At the same time, I don't think it's the smallest that I've ever had. So what did I think of this balcony cabin? I thought it was a great balcony cabin. I can't wait for this cruise that I have for these 7 days. Let me know what you think about it. Can you please like, comment, subscribe, check on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.